So here it is, the Daiya fire roasted vegetable pizza, gluten-free, non-dairy cheese. Not a health food, definitely a high-calorie food. Let's have a look at the backside here. 370 calories for 1/3 of the pizza, which is 164 grams. 15 grams of fat and 4 grams of saturated fat. That's a lot. A lot of sodium, 560 milligrams. The carbohydrates, 56 grams. That's high too. Take off 4 because the fiber is indigestible, sorry, and it just passes through. So a little bit lower carb. 5 grams of protein, not much. Still need to add a little protein to this. So here it is. What does it look like? First of all, it's very small. Here's the size of my hand. It's a small pizza for $10. This one has roasted vegetables. You can see that these cheese bits didn't really melt. I don't know if they were supposed to. I've never tried this cheese before, the Daiya cheese. I don't have any clue what it tastes like, but let's give it a go. You have to cook it on the oven rack at 475. Let's have a look at what it looks like. Well, it looks like pizza. What's it smell like? It smells like roasted vegetables. It looks good. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do a really quick, whoops, it's upside down. A really quick review of this pizza, this Daiya Pizza, and I don't usually eat fake foods. I'll usually always eat a whole food. So I'm gonna try this out and see how it goes. I've never had the Daiya cheese either. I have no idea what it tastes like or if it tastes like cheese. I just don't eat cheese. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so here it is. Let's give this pizza a try. It smells really good. It does have that sort of look to it, like a doughy texture. I'm not sure. I put it on the oven rack like it says, so we'll see. Oh, I'm surprised. I was so totally expecting it to not taste good. It tastes fine. It tastes good. Would I eat it again? Yeah, I would. Wow, I'm impressed. So, it does kind of taste like cheese. The vegetable flavor comes through a lot. The tomato flavor is nice. The bread is not like, I've seen other reviews where people said the bread was doughy and gluey and stuck to their teeth, and it did not. It was very good. Wow, I'm impressed. So, if you're vegetarian and you want to stick to your regular pizza, because you eat cheese, that's fine, but I don't eat cheese, so wow. I'm loving this. Good job. They have 7 different kinds. Let's see what they are. Classic pizza with meatless pepperoni flavored slices. Supreme. They don't say what Supreme is. Spinach and mushroom. Cheese lovers. Margarita. Fire roasted vegetable. That's this one. Mushroom and roasted garlic. Committed to non-GMO ingredients. Well, there you have it, guys. Quick review. It's delicious. Go try it. I love it. Wow. I was so surprised. Some people said they hated it. Some people said they loved it, but I'm totally on the side of loving it. Who knew? Have a good day, guys. Okay, so one last thing I want to show you is talking about blood sugar. I'm going to take a blood sugar test here and see what this pizza has done to my blood sugar. So here I am going to pick my finger. I didn't move the gun. Okay, here I go. Hopefully it picked good enough. I'm getting a little something. I know, I didn't do my nails before making the video. I apologize for that horrible manicure. Okay, let's see if that's enough blood. Okay, let's see what happens. This is 2 hours after eating the Daiya Pizza. Now, normally when I eat a regular pizza, I'll eat 2 slices, and it's usually somewhere around the 8s. So definitely this pizza has definitely made a huge difference as far as changing my blood sugar and bettering my blood sugar. So that's awesome. I'm happy about that. So I'm definitely gonna probably stick to this product instead of ordering a takeout pizza that has real cheese on it, which I hate to do that, but when I'm stuck and I'm really dying for pizza, what can you do, you know? So there you go. There you have it. 6.3. Now, normal blood sugar 2 hours after eating a meal should be anywhere between 5 and 10. So this is a very good reading for me. All right, guys, take care. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you tried the pizza and what your blood sugar was after. And don't forget to lower your blood sugar and get good results. Exercise daily, not just treadmill, but your whole body. Drink lots of water when you think your blood sugar might be high, so flush the sugar out of your body. And have fun. Have fun with your life. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I love you all. Bye-bye.